Hi everyone! I'm very excited to share with you that I will be working on the design of this place, and it's going to be a beauty studio. It's called Mademoiselle. It's an amazing place. I will share the link for you. And we're gonna build a great reception area with new pastel colors, some wooden textures, and we're gonna set some walls here. There will be two treatment rooms, one on this side and one over there. So yeah, that's really exciting, and I'll be showing you the 3Ds and some inspirations that will follow as well. So this is just sharing because I'm over the moon. Bye.